This
storage account
conference will
is
now be
simply
recorded.
like when we are using the any server, like this is my virtual machines or like in virtual server. Or in this virtual server, these are the direct attached storages available. This is a direct attached storage is called your hard drive.
Yes.
Yeah, when your hard drive is or your system is crashed, your entire data is lost. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah. Now the other options, the Microsoft Azure introduced are 10 storage area network. In this storage area network, you create different types of storage. Like basically in Azure terms, we have create one storage account. So this storage account is look like you are saying this is your like a storage area network. So now I'm create this storage account. So like I'm create this storage account in like East US. I'm create a storage account in East US, and this storage is called name is like ICCP Infotech hyphen storage account. ORH storage. Like this is the name of this storage account. So when you create a storage account inside this, so that means you are create a one SAN storage. Or inside the storage account, you create a four types of storage. You create a four types of storage. What is the storages look like? Your first is blob storage. The other name is called a container. Got it the point?
Yes.
Then file share. File share is look like your network sharing, network drives, table,
Okay.
and queue services. So like queue services is look like these are the storages are available in your Blob, Azure file service, queues, and tables. So these four types of accounts are available. There's the one more additional account is available is called our data lake. So I'm not explaining you the data lake because the data lake is different. So when you go to the Azure Data Factory, then we have explained you the Blob and Azure Data Lake storage, other things. But as per the solution architect, these are is a storage is a massive scalability. Like the what is the use of Azure Blob storage? So the Blob storage basically the store the any kinds of data,
Okay.
any kinds of data, either structure format or either unstructured format. You can store any types of data in a blob storage. Got it the point?
Yes.
So this is your queue storage. So these are the four types of storages used by the me, but in our AWS, in Azure, we have explained you these two storages because these two storage for solution architects or admin, and these two storages for like a DevOps and or developer end. Like for like you create your data is available in like a database format, like a table format, or this is a
Okay.
one kind of no SQL database we you can call. So you can see like the Azure table is a no SQL store for the schema level storage of structured data. So these is a message storage to reliable message between application components. So that's why these two parts we are using for our different categories, or either when you go for like a developing end, or like either you can go for like a platform as a service cloud, or either go for the like a DevOps part. then we are using like these two storages used by the developer end, but we are using the Blob Storage and Azure. So when you create any storage in a cloud or any in a today, there the some important task is available. The one is your applications. So this is the one part is you are enable our applications. So you are enable our application. This application is like a local, that means within a zone or within a region. Yeah, global redundant. So which tab you can enable the application that you can create one more storage account. So you enable the application when your the one storage goes down, then your data is recovered to the another storage. So these are the replications. So you can enable the replication in within a region or either multiple regions and multiple zones. Got it?
Yes.
Now the one more important part is available in this point is like a hot and cool. The another important task is hot and cool. So these two more important tasks is available. What is the hot and what is the cool? So the hot and cool data. So how to represent the hot data and cool data? What is you consider the hot and cool parameters? Basi, can you explain me?
Hot is when you try to access it all the time, and cold is something that you don't access it very often.
Yeah, the perfect. The concept of the hot and cool data, that means is like one kinds of data, like the hot apps is look like your WhatsApp app and my email app. Okay, and then cool apps is like a calendar and the other apps. So like a hot and cool, that means the hot, that means the is mostly usable and the every day, and like in every 2 hours or 3 hours you use this data. So you can depends you create a hot storage and either you can just create a cool storage. Got it? So now
Yes.
how to create a storage account after that. So these are the storage accounts. So you can see you can upload a data. So is a storage, the Blob account is look like a similar to the bucket of AWS S3.
Okay.
Got it? And the file share, now we have just when we create a file share in a file share storage account. So like, so I'm just attach this file share storage account with your particular instance or your like this is your VM. So I'm connect this file share account with VM, or either you can just connect with your on-premise system. Like this is your laptop, this is your physical laptop. So you can also connect this storage account with this laptop directly. So it show as a network drive or like a storage device. When you upload any data in this drive, so it's saved in our file share storage. So now we have start this practical session. So I'm first of all I'm create a one storage account. So now I'm just login with Microsoft Azure portal and create a one resource group. So you know okay, the every time we have create a resource group, I'm just click and then click on a resource group. So these are the multiple source group, and and last week I'm just get my app service is running on. Wow, perfectly. So it's give me the charges, good charges. In a month is a 5,000 each. So you can calculate the 1 day charges.
Got it. It's pretty high. Yeah.
Yeah, pretty high. So now I'm create also I think so the traffic manager. I'm already I think to delete the traffic manager part. So I'm just check if traffic manager is available or not. So now there's no any traffic managers console are available. Now I'm create one more resource group, or either we are using the existing resource group, but I'm creating the new one. So just click on a create and select the subscription and type like storage storage hyphen rg resource group, and now I'm just create this resource group of East US and now review and create. After that, I'm just create a storage account, so you can just click see and there the storage account is available. And now I'm just create a storage account, just you can click on a create storage account. And select the subscription, select the resource group. I'm create a one resource group is like a storage rg, and now the storage account name, I'm just give the storage account name is ICCP Info Tech. And now the create a location like a perform the standard is recommended to scenario general purpose v2. And now you can see the redundancy is one kind of your applications like the low cost option to the basic protection against the server rack and drive failure recommended or non-critical. So this is like a redundancy and like a local John redundancy required, like a global redundancy is required. So these are the types of like our application parts. So now I'm just set and like a GRS, and now click on a next. You can see these are the some advanced settings of the like it's get a API and like I enable the blob public access or enable storage account a key exception. So these are the parts, and you can see there the one more option is available, the Azure data lake storage. So when you convert this storage account to data lake, you can just click here. So when you are not connected, so it's not create a data lake storage, it is just like a normal storage. So now I'm not create any data lake storages, and now just click on a next. It's give you the option so you can access the public endpoint. That means the known or unknown. That means the within a cloud and out of cloud, this storage are accessible. Or when you use the private endpoint, that means it's connect in within a network. So now I'm just select the public endpoint. That means the all network will be able to access this storage account. Got it? Or when we select the
Got
private, so we can just add a particular account. Now review and create. So then when you see in before 1 year, so it's give you the all options. During the creating a storage account, you create a blob storage and like in a file storage and a table storage and your queue storage. But at this time, it show the all storages after creating the storage account. So first I'm create a one storage account and then I'm create a storage inside the storage account. So do you have all four options are available? You create a blob storage, file storage, table storage, a queue storage. So now, first of all, I'm create one blob storage and upload the data and how to access the data through the blob storage. After that, we have just create a file share storage and now attach this file share storage with the virtual machine, also attach with your systems or either my systems in physical systems.
it.
So now the my storage account is done. I'm just click on a storage account. And the ICCP Infotech is my one storage account. I'm just click this storage account and you can see there the all data storages are available like a containers, file share, queues and table. The container is called a blob storage, and before 1 year this name is come with a blob, but now at this time this name is come with the name of container. So the inside the blob we have created a container. So yeah, otherwise you can see there the blob services are available is hot, enable, blob storage, soft delete. So what is the meaning of the soft delete? The what is the meaning of soft delete? The meaning of this for soft delete is look like when you delete any data. So look like an if I'm say delete any files and save in a recycle bin. Yes or no?
Yeah.
The
Yes.
same concept when you delete any data, so the AWS, when you enable the soft delete option in your storage, so it's not a permanent delete. You can just recover this data in within a 7 days. So this is the
Got it.
concept of a soft disk. What is the public access? That means everyone can access this storage to the any locations. And the what is the versioning? The versioning is look like a version control. When each and every request, when you upload a data, like first you can write the data is like a ABC, and second time you can write the data in XYZ. That means in a same file you can just edit a data in 2 or 3 times. So each and every time it generate a new version ID, and you can easily identify which changes you apply in your file. And now I'm just click on a container, and now I'm create a one new container. You just click on a container and give the container name is called ICCP data. In lowercase is ICCP data. So now I'm create ICCP data is a private no anonymous access. Yeah, container anonymous read access, a blob anonymous read access for blob only. When you give that, these are the accessing key, your access of container of which types you can provide. So I'm just give the anonymous access to the this particular container, and now click on create. So you can see that my container are created, and how to upload data inside the container is simply you can just click on a container, and you can just upload any data. Like I'm upload data, I'm just click on a browse, and select one file in my desktop is available is one file look like I'm just open it. This is a PNG file, is a size is 4 MB, and you can see there is a hot and cool. So now I'm set the hot and upload. So you can see there the one file is up to date, is successfully. After that, when you access this file, so how to access this file, or when you access, so you can just click on this file and it give you the one URL. So this is a URL. With the help of this URL, you can access this file to the anywhere or any location. If like I'm just click here and now enter, you can see that my file is open. Now I'm share this link with you. You can just access it. You can file open this file. So now I'm share this link in a chat box.
Okay.
You can click on this file. You can see the file is accessible.
Yes.
So this is a way you can just upload our data in a cloud, and also you can download the file. You can change that file. You can download the file. So these are the condition. But one more thing I'm explaining you. I'm just click on ICCP Infotech, and now I'm just click on this storage account, and you can change the access level. Or now I'm just click in a private. So you can just refresh it, or you can just either again copy and paste the URL. So you can see that at this time this XML file does not appear to have any style information, because I'm just disable the public access. So this is the private access. So now if I'm just enable the public access, we can just click on the change label, and I'm just click on a container, then click OK. So now my access is changed, is in container, and like we can just refresh it, then you can see the file is open. Okay, no file is open. Got it the point?
Yes.
So these are the container size systems, and you can each and every file. So this is the one, you just click on the access level to the container. Also you can just here you can see the access policy. You can also provide the access policy in a particular container, or either you can just provide the access policy with inside the data, like this is your data, it is hot, this is your hot data, and you can see that storage type is a blob.
Yep.
Got it?
Yes.
Now you can just click, and you can also download the file, and you can just go to the property. You can create a backup snapshot also you can create. So each and everything is available. You can just view this file or edit. So when you view, so it is view or done locally. and you can modify the data in like a Azure console also.
Got
Now
it.
the another part is look like I'm just click on a home, and I'm just click on a storage account. You can create a file share storage. So now I'm just create a file share storage. So we have just click on a storage account, and I'm just click on a file share account, and then create one new file share, and like I'm just create a US data, and these are the file shares, and you can see the size of this file share is 5 TB. And now
Got
I'm
it.
just click this is file share is my the hot data, and now I'm just click on a create. But you can just edit the space. You also edit, or you also the modify the this space. So you can just check the custom settings. You can edit with the custom setting. You can click on the edit quota limit, and you can just click the save is like need 1 GB. Wait, 1 GB, and then click OK. So now I'm set the size of this particular storage. Now one more thing, the how to connect this storage account. So is a simply there's a one folder, and either is a one you can how to connect this storage account, or you can just file share. So you can see this is your storage account is available. I'm just click on this storage account, and in this storage account you can see the option is available is key access key. So how to connect this storage account with your system? So you can just one software, you can just go in a Google and download the one software, the Azure Explorer. I'm just go to the Google, and you can
Okay.
type download the Azure Storage Explorer. So you can just click and you can download this software and install this software in your system. You can use the like a Mac, Linux, or which operating system, and you can just click on a download. So it's already downloaded and stored in my system like the Azure Storage Explorer. So now I'm just click on the Azure Storage Explorer account and software console. Just a wait. And it's open. Then we have just asked the how to connect the storage account. So now the my storage explorer account is open. Now how to connect the storage account? You can see the first, you can see the name of the storage. So my the storage name is ICCP Infotech. Also we can connect this storage account. We need our access key. So now when we have click on the access key, and you can see that it generate the storage account name. So this is a storage account name, and these are the keys are available. So you can click on a show key. You can just copy and you can use the any key. So now I'm just click on a storage account name, and I'm just click here, and now click OK. Now I'm just click on a storage account. I'm just click on this plugins, and now the storage account or services, or either you can just click on a container only, or either you connect only file share. But I'm just connect the entire storage account. So I'm just click on a storage account, and you can connect with a key, or either shared access, or account name and key. So now I'm just click with the account name and key, and now click on a next. The what is the display name is like my Azure account, my Azure storage, and like the account name is ICCP Infotech. And now what is the key? I'm just click on a storage, and now I'm just copy the key and then paste. Because I'm already give the public access, that's why it's connect to the anywhere. Now click on next, and then click on connect, and you can see that my storage accounts are connected successfully. Add a new account, and you can see the storage account. Click on Azure, and you can see the Azure cloud storage and my storage account. So I'm just click on a my storage account, or inside there you can see the blob is container, or I'm create a one container if you remember. So you can see there the one ICCP data container is available. So you can install any data. You don't go for the system. You can just upload a data direct with your system. You can just click and upload any file or any folder. Got to the point?
Yes.
At this time, I'm not go. I'm just my Azure is connected. Is my file is connected, and now I'm just click on a browse, and you can upload any file, any software. So you can just upload any kinds of data. I'm just click on a download section. So now I'm just click on like this one, and now upload. Same as I'm create a one file share account. So you can see the with the name of the file says the US data, and you can upload any data in this location. So this data is go to in your US location, or either we have create a one file with the name of like India, like I'm just create a one INDIA India. I'm just create a one folder in this locations. So you can see this folder, entire folder are create in my storage account of the file share. I'm just click on a file share storage account, and US data inside you can see the one folder are created automatically now the India. Now the option the how to connect the file share account with your instance or with your virtual machine. So now you can just click on a connect, and you can see that when you use a Windows concept, so you can use this script of like drive letter is jet, or like either any drive letter and storage account, and I'm just click on with the Windows. So this is a storage account, and this is a script of the connect with the storage account. I'm just copy this script and open a PowerShell, and I'm just execute this script in a PowerShell. Or this is a way to you can just connect with direct with your system. So either you have create I'm create a one virtual machine. So I'm just click on create a virtual machine. So I'm just click on a virtual machines, and create and virtual machines. Now select the subscriptions resource group, like name is like a VM1. Ability Jones 20 server. This. Now I put the username is so it is AST 1 2 3 4. So at this time you are logged in within your personal laptop and your office laptop. But see,
Yes.
you log in with a
Right now I'm
personal
using
laptop and
personal laptop. It's personal.
personal laptop now. So I'm
Yeah.
just share with you the script. You can just run this script. Wait, next. And now the review and create. So I'm share with you. You can just execute this script
Okay.
in a PowerShell, and you can see that your device is connected or not. So it's give me the error. And now you can see the credentials added successfully, but it gives the other name hyphen name is jet. So the jet drive is not acceptable is here. Now I'm just change the drive letter. So I'm just click on you can execute the script.
Yeah, I just executed it. Uh, it's gonna map a drive called Z or no?
Yeah, so it's mapped.
The script ran successfully, but I don't see the.
You can just click on this PC, na?
Yeah, I clicked on this PC, but I don't see the drive mapped.
Like a C drive, D drive, E drive is coming, the same as this drive is coming. Yeah, either you can just go to the disk manager and you can check.
Yeah, I'll check this management.
Got it?
Uh, no, I don't have the drive, but the script ran successfully.
Okay,
Mm.
script ran successfully, but they don't show the drive.
Yeah, so I
Okay,
did.
just okay. You can see I'm just click on again on like storage account, and then I'm just there. The one more option is available. I'm just click on this account, and now we have just clicked the use data, and now option is available. Connect with VM. So you can just click on here. I'm just click on this, and now I'm just copy this script, entire script, and now I'm run this script. I'm just copy this script and then again execute. It's give you the any error?
No, it didn't give me any errors. No.
Why it's not show? Just a minute. I'm just execute this script in a virtual machine, because in my physical machine there are sometimes in AWS is connected or Google Cloud is connected and GCP also is connected. So I'm now login with virtual machine. So I'm just go to the resource and I'm just
Okay.
login with virtual machines, and now I'm connect with the virtual machine. So I'm just copy the public IP and access the remote desktop connection. And now click yes. And now just click in no, and I'm just see the scripting. I'm just copy it and now paste script. I'm just copy the script in a jet drive. So I'm just click on a storage account and just click on ICCP storage account, and I'm just click on a file share and then click on a file share and then click with connect. You use Windows now?
Yeah, I use Windows. Yes.
And now I'm select drive letter. I'm just give the Q is in drive letter, and now I'm just copy this script, and the script will check to see if the storage account is accessed via TCP port number 445. So which is the port is SMB. So if your port 445 is available, your Azure file share will be presently. So now you can see that your 445 port is allowed in your system firewall. So now I'm just click here and now paste a script and now click. So just a minute. Now you can see the script is connected. Now you can see the Q drive is successfully connected. And
Okay.
now I'm just click in a drive. You can see the same drive there. The one drive is available in the US data. Got it?
Got it. Okay.
And now I'm just upload any data like the India folder is available. I'm just click or with the name of the one file like a cloud data. These all data are saved in my file share account. So you can see that is available. I'm just click on a refresh. You can again execute. I'm just give you the new script. You can just again execute this script.
Okay. Yeah, I see it now.
It's connected.
Yeah, it's connected. Yes.
It's display drive.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it displays the Q drive.
Yeah, you can create a one file. So maybe the drive letter is conflict. That's why.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
So you can create multiple data and you can upload anything else.
Yeah, I just created a folder now.
And now I'm just refresh. You can see that your folder are displayed in Basil test. And now in this Basil test, I'm just upload a video for you and your class videos. I'm just click on a upload. So I'm not upload here. I'm just go in my drive later because you and me create a same common drive. So this is a common drive like this is a Basil test is available and now I'm just copy the some important videos for you for like your class related your. So I'm just click on go to the download section in my physical machines and now I'm upload one folder that deploy the Azure virtual machine or either load balancer and I'm just give you the copy the section number 4. Now copy and paste in a Sunday virtual machine and now paste in this location. But it's not update because of my this storage size is on 1 GB. So when the 1 GB is come, we can also increase the size in our cloud storage.
All right.
Got it the point?
Yes.
So you understand my point there?
Yeah, I understood.
Oh, fine. So So now it's easily you can see the data is comes in directly in your system. So the got it the point that what's the difference between the blob and file share. So you can file share you can just like your company is share some document with multiple clients like there are some software is available. We can just store the software in the central location. And now I'm share this storage drive to the anywhere. So when anyone can connect it with internet, this drive is automatically connected, and the user is upload and save any data in this drive. This data and drive data is directly saved in my cloud storage.
Understood.
So also you can clear the storage account. So now I'm not explain. In next class we will start SQL.
Okay.
Storage account. So today for enough like my storage account session is finished now. So we have just covered the file share and how to upload and how to click. And when you also enable the application in between this, so you when you create or enable our application, you can just click on a storage account And because if I'm explaining you, it's move for the solution architect part. So like there's some another parts is available, like you can just click on the networking access key. You can see the Geo application. The Geo application I'm already explaining you the application. That means you can enable our application in a multiple location. So you can see the because I'm already select a Geo application by default. So that means you can storage endpoint the view the location like East US and West US. So my primary storage is available in East US and the secondary storage is automatically in a West US. Why? Because we have create if you remember, can create a storage account. So when we have create a storage account, so there's a storage account, we have select a geo GRS, geo redundant storage.
Understood.
Okay, so it depends on you. You can just select a local redundant and geo redundant, so you can just create. Also, you can just prepare the failover between this, like you're the one storage it goes down, you can enable, so you can enable the failover.
Got it.
But I'm using the pay as you account. When you use the free account, you can just prepare or for failover. You can click on a prepare for failover.
Got it.
So this is the entire process. To anything else related to uh, last 6 7 class, any questions, yeah, any doubts? No.
No questions now. I'm good.
Okay, so thank you. And one more thing,